What up? Ben from Orozcos Kitchen here. I bet your pit boss looks like this and you've been having a tough time finding the right and correct way of cleaning your grates. Well, you clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how not to clean your grates. Then I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your grates in the best possible way. So make sure you stick around to the whole video. Don't miss any of this crucial information I'm about to share with you guys. Let's start off with the wrong ways of cleaning your grates. I'm going to share 3 different ways that are the wrong ways of cleaning your grates. After showing you the 3 wrong ways, I'm going to show you the best way to clean your grates. So number 1 is scraping with a spatula. So with this method, you turn your pit boss on high heat, hoping to go ahead and scrape it once it's all nice and hot and get it all between those grates. And you found that it's not really effective because the spatula can't really get all up in those little grate holes. It will also scratch the protective finish that the grates have, which we don't want because they can start to rust and they can get into your food. All right, this next one will surprise you. Let's get on to number 2. Using a wire brush. As you may have heard, this method is very dangerous. It's even landed some people in the emergency room. Yeah, it's bad. So the wire bristles over time, they start to get loose, end up getting inside of your food, and when ingested, they can be very harmful and it can be very hard for the doctors to diagnose exactly what's wrong with you. Don't believe me? Just Google it, bro. All right, going on to number 3, using an onion. Everyone's probably heard of this method, but honestly, this just doesn't get all the old food out. It does make the grill smell really good though. All right, now that I've shown you every single way that you shouldn't be cleaning your grates, let me show you on the best and proven method that does actually work to clean your grates. Let's get started. I'm sure most of you have heard of the famous Scrub Daddy from Shark Tank. Well, they came out with this new steam clean barbecue brush, and this is a Scrub Daddy. They partnered up with Mr. Barbecue, and this is the most proven and safest way to be cleaning your grates today. So let me show you guys exactly how to use this thing. All right, so how does it work? Very simple. You heat up your pit boss to 300 degrees, do not exceed 350, or the brush head will deteriorate, and we don't want to do that. So get yourself a bucket or a bowl of water with ice, and now you're ready. Apply the head of the brush in the ice bath and let some of the water come off the brush. Then start scraping your grill grates. Repeat this process until your grill grates are fully clean. You can flip the grill grates and do the backside as well, ensuring you did a thorough job. What I did for my final step is coat it with a small amount of oil before I start the cook or cool down process. If you're cleaning your pit boss right after you cook, remember to leave the lid open to allow the cool down process to properly do its thing. Once complete, you can unplug it and go ahead and put your pit boss cover on there, and then you're all set for your next cook. All right guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're a pit boss fan, then you'll definitely like this next video. Click up here.